I was the girl that always had long curly hair. As I got older, I got married and had my first son. I started experiencing some thinning hair. 3 years later, I had my second son and felt as though I had significant thinning hair. I would try to style my hair certain ways, wear baseball caps. I actually had a friend who recommended NeoGraft and said I should look into it. The doctor explained there won't be a visible scar, but there will be some minor swelling and serious itching. I can wear my hair down, or I can always throw on a hat. I felt like, well, let's just give it a whirl, because nothing else was working. So coming in and seeing Lindsay today, I didn't have that nervousness of what am I gonna do, how am I gonna help hide the thinning. It was all about, it's gonna be fun, this is exciting. I can do whatever I want to do with my hair now. I met Lindsay about 3 years ago.
Ever since I've known Jessi, she has always tried to find some way to hide her thinning hair.
She'd show me, how to fix my hair. We tried a couple of different products over the counter and just nothing was successful. So after the procedure, I started noticing hair follicles growing in and my hair was feeling fuller and thicker.
Your transplants they're seamless.
You could just see all along my hairline, on my face and around my ears, all this new baby hair just filling and growing.
I mean, I can really tell that your hair, it just feels different,
I know.
You excited about it?
I love it.
She came in with such a glow about her hair. I would see the top of her hair. There's little hairs growing on the top. This is amazing.
Now that it's finally grown all in, I feel like I can do any hairstyle. Having that experience was exciting, and the more and more it grew, the thicker and fuller my hair became, and it's been awesome. I don't have to point it out. People are complimenting me about how awesome my hair looks.
Through her experience, I can feel like I can help other women and my clients.
I'm so glad I did it, and I would encourage anybody who ever feels that they have thinning hair that they don't have to live that way. There's alternatives and there's things out there that actually work.
So what do you think? You like it?
I love it! Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Yeah, it looks great.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're so welcome.
It looks so
better.
cool. Thick and healthy.